What's up, guys? So today we are going to unbox my QuietComfort 35s. Plus it's Christmas. So there's the back. Quiet free, world class noise cancellation. It's compatible with Apple devices and Android devices. So what comes in the box. So I already previously unwrapped the wrap. So we can just open it. I will be back when I'm done. So here's the box. This is just like a sliding thingy. So what I get in the box is a NFC and stuff. A little slip here. Here's the headphones in their carrying case. And I don't really need all that. So I can just put it back in the box and keep the box just in case. I'm just gonna stay. Here they are in the carrying case. I'll try to get it open. Hang on just a sec. Here's the box just as it is. So here's the box, little pouch thingy here. So let's open it. So I opened it. Here's the headphones. Whoa. Wow. Here's a flight adapter. Here's the headphone jack. I can put it right here. And the charger. I'll get that open. I decided to open the here's the headphone jack thingy. So put it back in here in case I need it for anything. Here's the cord. I've seen videos about it. It's kind of small, but it's good enough. So here's the headphones themselves. I'm gonna take out the phone, and I'm gonna put them on my head. Hang on just a sec, guys. So here's the headphones. They feel very, very durable. So I'm just gonna put them on, and okay. So they're on right now. They feel very, very comfortable. So this is like a, I guess, Christmas special and stuff. So I will show you my other pair. These are the Bose forgot the ADW Sound Trues. They're a little bit older, but you can tell the difference in quality and the size difference. So it's a little shorter video, so hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and Merry Christmas.